As 2025 is wrapped up, I want to go over some of the changes that I'm going to make to the channel in 2026. But first, I want to thank all of my subscribers for watching my videos over the past year. I've only been doing solar for a little over a year, so this is kind of a journey for me, and I appreciate you for being a part of that journey. The other thing too is I started a forum, winsolarforum.com, and I've got about 30 people on the channel. And we're starting to have some pretty cool conversations, and I'm learning a lot about my subscriber systems and seeing them grow, and it's kind of cool. If the channel continues to grow, that would be great. But if not, I think it's a success as is. The other things that have happened over the last year, I've taken my house off the grid. I've taken my shop off the grid. I've learned a ton. I've tested a lot of batteries, inverters, and solar panels, some good, some bad. But the first year doing it, I think that was a success as well. But for 2026, there's going to be some changes. And the changes is not the amount of videos that I do. I'm going to try my best to keep up with how many videos that I put out last year. But the change is going to be in me and the quality of the videos. So some of my videos are a little bit choppy because there's a lot of ums and ahs, and I kind of stutter as I speak. And, you know, I edit that out with AI, and it's still a little bit choppy. So I'm going to work on that some more, try to put out better content, do more research to make sure I understand the topic even better, and also try to get more products from China to test out. So I'm sending out a ton of emails trying to become a testing center in the US for a lot of different companies. And I'm working towards that. And I want this year to offer more quality. So that's my goal for this year. The other thing too is try to have more camera angles, try to liven things up a little bit, try to, keep the user yourself engaged even more. So those are things that I'm working on. I may even pick up an old used RV or fifth wheel or something to start doing maybe like some mobile content. So for some mobile type systems and setup, but need to save up some funds to get there, and hopefully I'll get there this year, but that's something that I want to do. So this video is really about you and about the channel. Want to thank you for your support, and here are the changes for 2026. So thanks for watching Mike's Solar Garage, and have yourself a fantastic day.